Chris here, Martin Atkinson Specialist Fans. Today I'm going to preview this lovely Crafter 4Motion 4-wheel drive. It's the high output 177 PS. It's the Trendline model. Lots and lots of additional factory options. Registered late 2021 on a 71 prefix. Only done 17,000 miles. Super condition. And I'll walk around the vehicle, point out some of the additional extras. As I say, lots and lots, I think about 18 additional factory options. Apologies, it's outside, it's just too high to get inside our building, but I'll walk around the vehicle now. So start from the front. So it's got front and rear sensors, so that's part of what we call the business pack. It's got LED headlights, quite an expensive upgrade, LED headlights on a Crafter. Finished in candy white. Just showing you on the bonnet, can't see many blemishes. Could be the odd little stone chip. As I say, it's 2021, done 17,000 miles. Now the vehicle's just had one previous keeper, full service history. Just been used for carrying motorcycles, I'm led to believe, so it's not done anything heavy. Tell by the steel wheels, are all lovely. Got side marker lamps on there as well as side assist. So I'll just point out a little symbol that will flash when something comes down the side of you, when you want to pull out, etc. A lot of safety features. But side assist is an additional factory option. It's got the full length rear step, reverse camera as well, 4Motion badge on the back. Rear park sensors as well. Again, it's got the symbol there on the mirror. It's also got wind deflectors on there. Mud flaps front and rear. Side loading door on the side. So it's got the LED load lights. It's all fully ply lined, bulkhead and everything. Got the wiser deck floor. It's got all of the mats from new. Twin seat. Just give you the facility for storage under the seat. Again on this side. There we go. It's also got the drop down centre, so it gives you the cup holders, note pad, etc. Storage there. So we've just got two passengers all in there. Holders. It's got the full screen Discover Media navigation as well. Like, really expensive option, as I say. About 18 different options on this vehicle. I always tend to look for this as well. VWAG, so it's all original windscreen, no chips, cracks, etc. Just climb up into the driver's cabin. So it's got the lights and vision pack, so auto lights. It's got the heated folding wing mirrors. 17,455 miles. It's got the cruise control on there. Multifunction steering wheel. Automatic gearbox. Heated seats. Heated windscreen. Heated steering wheel. Park pilot. Air conditioning. Discover Media with the wireless Apple CarPlay, built-in navigation, everything in there. I'll just start the vehicle up, just to give you an idea of the navigation. So that's your navigation screen starting. Apple CarPlay.
3 members of the same family who died in the sea off the Sussex coast.
Heated seats, both sides. Heated steering wheel. Apple CarPlay will not connect, basically because I'm videoing, so, but it's got all the Bluetooth in there as well, radio, navigation, so that's all built in to that infotainment system. Got the overhead storage. So we have it. Super condition. One of the nicest ones we've had the pleasure of selling. Volkswagen Crafter 4Motion 177ps Trendline model, automatic gearbox. Lots and lots of additional factory options. Super condition. LED headlights. And available on our website very shortly. Certainly give myself a call. I'm Chris on 07888 989877. All the additional options I'll list for the vehicle. Service history, as I say, comprehensive service history, MOT, etc. Comes with a 15-month premium AutoGuard warranty with roadside assistance, and 15-month warranty, and 2 keys, all HPI clear, etc. If you'd like any more information, give myself a call, Chris 07888 989877. We'll be available on WhatsApp, so if you'd like a further video, certainly give myself a call. This video will be uploaded to the advert, and the website is www.justnicevans.co.uk. All that's left to say is thank you very much for watching. Please give me a call and hope to speak to you soon. Bye for now.